Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to use MetaTrader 4 on your iOS device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 platform. Once MT4 is open, you'll see the main interface. To add currency pairs, tap on the quotes icon to bring up the default currency pair list. To add your preferred currency pair to the dashboard, tap on the plus sign. Then, select the standard currency folder. For instance, I chose the Australian dollar/Japanese yen currency pair. To view the newly added currency pair, tap the back button. The currency pair will then be displayed in the Quotes tab. To remove a currency pair, tap the pencil icon. Tick the box next to the symbols you want to remove. Tap the bin icon to remove the currency pair. You have successfully removed the currency pair from your list. To open a currency chart, tap on Currency Pair and select Open Chart. To change the chart type, tap anywhere on the chart, then select Settings. From there, you can choose and modify the chart type. Select either Bar Chart, Candlestick Chart, or Line Chart. To change the time frame, tap on Minutes and select a time frame from the menu. To add indicators, tap the F icon in the top menu. Then select Main Window for the indicators. Select an indicator from the list provided and set your properties for the chosen indicator and tap Done. You can see the indicator has been added to your chart. To track your progress, tap the Settings icon, select Journal to navigate to the Journal page. Select the dates and use the Share icon to email it to yourself or others. Congratulations! Now that you know how to use MetaTrader 5 on your iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!